Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Microsoft Edge keeps logging you out of websites in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings from the menu, okay, and then you can go to this option here for extensions, okay, and then find any troublesome extension like for example VPN extensions. If this is enabled, disable it. If it helps, then remove it, because if it helps it means that the uh, extension itself was a problem. After this, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, click on the bin symbol, change the time range to all time and click on clear now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.